Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install macOS on Windows. Firstly, go to the official VirtualBox download page. Click on Windows hosts to download VirtualBox for Windows and install it. Now return to the download section on the VirtualBox website and download Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Open VirtualBox and click the menu icon next to Tools and choose Extensions. Click Install, find your downloaded file, and follow the installation setup. Now visit a trusted site like Internet Archive and search for macOS Sonoma ISO. Download the zip file and extract the ISO file to save it somewhere easily accessible. Now open VirtualBox and click New. Name your VM and type macOS X. Click Next to create a new virtual hard disk, then click Finish. Now select your VM and click Settings. Under System, do Motherboard Chipset ICH9 and enable EFI. Now open VirtualBox, click on your new macOS VM, then click Start. Go through macOS setup. It will take a time but should boot into the installer and you're done. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.